Hey guys, it's Catronix here, and with my dog really just abandoning me like that, and Caden here.
Hi.
But we're gonna be doing a reaction to try not to laugh animals, basically.
Toby just took me in the mouth.
Ready? Try not to laugh again. Face cam issues.
Why are you trying to bite it?
Dogs are they like shoes. Oh, I thought that. Oh, this is teddy bear.
It's a teddy bear mask.
Oh, I thought it was a teddy bear. No, it's not. It's his ears.
It's not his ears, that's the arms, and then his legs are in the legs.
Come here, King. Aw, pretty girl.
Hey! Calm down now!
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
What are you doing? You're on video. Like a book. Hi, Nuggle. Hi, kitty boy.
Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, that is so cute.
No, don't eat its tail.
It's not his tail.
Oh, that's adorable.
He's trying to undress him.
Get him out. It's a Toby. Oh, it's a lab. That's the kind of dog we were gonna get. And my mom decided no.
Happy Halloween, baby.
Play dead. Get me out of this.
I've seen the box cat.
I want to do that to my cat.
Oh! The nose though.
I want to do that to my cat.
We're all sweaty.
We're doing the yard. We're just doing this real quick. Still haven't laughed or grinned. That's adorable. And you just go back in? I want in. Oh, that's adorable.
Looking for the Santa Claus though. Let me get the Santa Claus though.
Yeah!
It's a rodeo.
Why would you do that to your dog? He's trying to get the cat. That's adorable. Or she's trying to get the other cat. That's adorable. Or the mouse.
Rosie, do you want that?
Oh! Darrow got
That's
some
a talented bunny.
That cat though.
It's a creepy bunny though, cause it has red eyes.
He has a good kick too, huh?
Oh, what? What? Oh, I thought that was his head. It's a boot.
Oh hi, my name is Dorothy. I got my head stuck in a boot yesterday.
Yeah.
I still can't get it off.
Let's do our squeaky voice.
Yeah! Oh my god! Oh!
That rooster. Oh, he's had an encounter with a rooster or a chicken before.
I've had an encounter with a rooster or chicken before, or whatever you will call it. It pecked me in the nose.
And then, like, yeet! No, those claws are sharp though.
Oh. Oh.
She's never seen a turtle before.
Oh.
It's never seen a turtle before. Stay away from me. I be barking.
I'm gonna go.
Listen. That's a scorpion.
It's not a real one.
Cow, I've got three.
Yes,
Oh,
it
that
is. Why would you do that to your dog?
It's like a trained scorpion.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Scorpions are not trained.
Yeah, they can be.
That's adorable. Never gives up on the tug of war.
It's like the sideways challenge.
Never give up. Or it's a
People, when they try to do the sideways challenge, be like,
That's like every cat's instinct. Whenever it's dressed, it just falls over.
wait, no, I want to do that cute little thing that I did with the cat earlier.
Come on, bud.
They can't stand up. They can't stand up because it's stuck. Merry Christmas.
Watch. Wait, put the camera on this. Say hello to my little friend.
It's chasing a deer, or the deer's chasing the dog. It's a cat, or a weasel. It's a weasel.
It's a kitty cat.
It's a weasel. Kitty, come here, Evie. Evie, eat it. It's okay. My dog ate my homework.
Literally. Dude, what if that went down his throat? He did like a throat check.
get it.
Let me get that pencil.
He's eating corn.
Oh, that corn be like, oh yeah.
He's just trying to eat it. The question is, why would you do this to your pet?
Ah, stop, Toby. Don't.
What?
Drop.
What?
Whoa! Skills.
The babies.
Oh, kitty cat.
Oh, they poop.
Skittles.
Get-o. Hey, baby.
I want a kitty cat.
He hears the kittens and he wants him.
Look at that wiener dog.
That's a boy.
Or is it? Is it just because it's a wiener dog? Are you assuming that dog's gender?
Yeah.
He looks like a boy.
No.
Don't
No.
be a boy.
Don't do that to your dog.
This? Hey, this is my dog. That's his dog. That's the
I know
baby.
you don't know. Give me attention. Give me attention.
Oh! Climbing Mount Everest. Oh, I thought that was a kid. Hey, let me get out of here.
It's a crocodile.
No, it's a dog.
Yeah.
And it's silent.
He's like, the dog's looking at the camera. I want out of this.
Hi.
I'm a dinosaur.
Maybe we can do this to your dog, Toby.
No, he would hate it. He doesn't like having even a life jacket on.
Come on, Toby.
Oh, it's a weasel.
Come on, Toby.
After all the help I'm giving you.
Look. Oh, talented weasel. Bro, he just jumped from that to its cage like a cat.
Sophie.
Oh, that's like every dog who dreams like they're to wear shoes.
Wow. Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
He probably
Man, that was
doesn't.
dope,
The dog doesn't even know what's happening. Is he crying?
Is that monster nodding at you?
It's like it's talking to himself.
Oh no, it's alive!
Oh. Hey. Cool.
That's like my dog.
Now you can say your dog rode a horse.
My dog's with a back foot.
There's mice or a cat.
Yeah,
That's
that's
it.
it.
Get your toy. Get your toy. Get that toy.
That's not fun. I want to play. Looks like Lily and Toby.
That's Toby and that's Lily.
No, that's Toby because he wants to sit down and just lay there, and then Lily wants to play. It has chicken. It has duck.
I want the ducky.
They're so cute. It's a herd dog. Of course, it's gonna herd them into the cage. That's a sheep herd dog. Sheep dog.
Oh, yeah. Let me get some of that.
He gay.
I'm not gay.
The dog is. It's a hippie.
If anyone's gay, you're gay.
No.
Yeah. Saying, oh, I have a girlfriend, which is imaginary, but still.
Hey, that's when I was born. 2003. Oh yeah, quick sellout moment after this one. After this video, real quick. That's adorable.
Poppers. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I want a cat.
Fall over. Any cat that you put a costume on it, it's gonna fall over. It's not, is it a sheep?
That's a both. You know, I play Minecraft because I'm. Oh, that's freaking sick, dude. I want a maze. I want a maze craft. I want a maze.
I do maybe.
Moby Dick. Bill Cosby.
What?
That's a horse.
Why would you do that to a horse?
Because he's a freaking savage. When my dog sees another dog, he'd be like, "Man, get out of here."
When my dog goes pirate. When my cat turns into Benjamin Franklin. And fall over.
Eventually just falls over.
Into it. It wants to fly, but it can't. That's creepy. It looks creepy. What? Oh, I thought that was a chair or something. It's getting married.
Oh,
Marley.
that's like my
Hi,
ex
Rosalie.
going near me.
Oh, okay. Stella moment. It broke the glass too. So, Stella moment. It's my birthday soon, so can I get at least 14 likes?
Yeah, what he said.
And subscribe.
Wait,
And
I gotta do a dub intro.
And hit that little bell.
Wait.
To
I
get
gotta
your
do a dope
notifications.
outro.
Dope.
Look at the dog. He's just sitting there. Okay. 3, 2, 1.